Typhoon warning here on the island is like a three-legged stool. We have the National Weather Service that puts out the information. We have the Emergency Management Office, or Guam Civil Defense, which actually tells people what to do and how to prepare. And then we have the media that actually takes this information and gets it out to the general public.
This week is Typhoon Preparedness Week, and the National Weather Service, along with the Office of Civil Defense, Guam Homeland Security, are teaming together to increase public awareness for typhoons and other natural disasters. The agencies are hosting a disaster preparedness and climate change workshop at the Marriott Hotel to brief government and non-government agencies on how watches and warnings are issued and what to do in the event of hazardous weather. Chief Meteorologist for the National Weather Service, Chip Gard, says the Weather Service works closely with the Joint Typhoon Warning Center in Hawaii to track and monitor storms in the Marianas and throughout Micronesia, so that when a storm is heading in the direction of our island, a tropical storm or typhoon watch can be issued 48 hours in advance.
But the key thing is those damaging winds are going to arrive in 48 hours. When those damaging winds get within 24 hours, we'll go ahead and issue a tropical storm or a typhoon warning. When we issue a watch, Civil Defense generally is going to go to Condition of Readiness 3.
When Core 3 is called, Gard says we don't need to get the typhoon shutters up quite yet, as there is still a lot of uncertainty at that stage. But he says Core 3 is a good time to get ready to be ready. Guam Homeland Security Public Affairs Officer Alyssa Benito says this means families should discuss a meeting place and have an emergency disaster kit at hand.
What families can do at their home is prepare emergency disaster kit. So, have your water ready, your canned goods, your flashlights, your radio, and then also have an emergency plan, so to know what to do if some disaster should strike.
When the National Weather Service issues a typhoon warning, that means the storm is expected to hit the island within 24 hours, and Civil Defense goes into Condition of Readiness 2. That's when outdoor and indoor preparations should be made. Core 1 is called when damaging winds are expected within 12 hours, and everyone should stay indoors at that time and monitor local media reports. Tropical storms and typhoons also stir up a lot of trouble in the ocean, so Gard warns the public to always be cautious before and after a storm.
So people underestimate, and even when the storm comes in and the storm leaves, the oceans can still be big and those currents can still be very strong. Most of the people we lose, it doesn't happen during a tropical storm. It either happens before the tropical storm or after the tropical storm.